I'm diving right in, and I know they're a little bit at the bottom here, but I got them. Okay. There we go. There we go, green trousers. The beer trousers. I know they don't do much, but they're gonna do another layer. Oh. And there goes the kit and caboodle. Okay. Can't possibly now put these on. See? Wow. Yeah. It's not completely too bad today, guys, because even though it is only like 22, with the wind it probably feels like 14, it said, but look on the positive side. It is something to the effect of like 56% humidity. So, okay, 5% left on this one. Yeah, guys, these batteries are gonna go quick, and I'm just afraid we're gonna struggle on some of the last ones. Anyways, guys, hasta la ciao. I'm gonna do a battery swap here. Over and out from the farm country, somewhere between St. Louis and Springfield. Ciao.